Okay, we're installing this Poison Spider rear bumper. Really nice looking. Looks great on the Jeep. We've got brackets on either side here. They will mount to the frame with existing holes. Right here and here. And also here, there's a clip that slides in there for a third hole. Third bolt will slide up in here. And there's one hole that we had to drill in the bottom frame underneath here on that end, right in there. Right there, sharp. So that's where the bottom of the bumper will attach with these bolts here, or these holes, and that's what gives the receiver here in front strength. It has to be mounted to the frame. So Marcus is drilling the hole right now. Bolt that in. Okay. This hole. Show you how these things slide in here. Simple as that. Now it's ready to receive a bolt. Okay. Put the other one on this side as well. Okay, so the instructions say that we bolt through this hole and this hole, but they say you don't have to worry about these. Well, to me, that's where the strength is for the hitch. So they did provide holes in the bumper for that. So I think we're going to go and drill those out because we will be pulling a trailer with this, and it just doesn't seem strong enough to be on either end. Okay, we've just drilled the pilot holes. We're using larger bolts on the ends, so we're going to have to make these holes on both ends a little larger. So we're going to try to waller it out a little bit. Okay, we've positioned all of our bolts here, ready to accept the bumper. A washer and a nut. Do the two outside ones first. And then we do the other ones. Let's see if we can do it. Gotta go in one. We're getting there. Yes, sirree. Okay, I need the other. There, here they are. Okay. All right, now. Okay, we've got it sitting on there, just loose. It's going to be a great looking bumper. The nuts started underneath there. Getting ready to be tightened over here. We still have the third bolt that'll need to be put in right there in this area. So we'll get that in there. Okay, now we got to push the bumper and hold it up there. Okay. Got it. Yep. There's the finished product. And we still have to do something with that electrical mount there. But it's really a good looking bumper. So we have one little issue with this electrical mount here for the trailer. There's really no place to mount it. You certainly don't want it hanging underneath the bumper like that. So what we thought is right in here, cut a hole and mount it right there, right next to this light orifice. So that's probably what will happen. Okay, we also have a front bumper that we're going to mount. And everything indication said that this was ready to mount a winch on, but it's not. It doesn't come with the fair lead that would be on the front here side for your winch cable. So any of you folks that are going to purchase this, be aware that you need to buy a plate that goes on top of this to mount your winch. Just a little tidbit of information.